What up, G? Let me tell you about MC. You ain't got no life, you ain't got no friends, and I know you wanna spend your weekend with 40 people you don't know and some guy named Puff telling you what to do.
Oh, hell yeah, that's me. Where do I sign up?
On the website.
Wow.
You can be a winner.
Ah!
We're MC Raiders.
We ain't got no life. You ain't got to tell me about attunement. If you got cold fragments, you've already been through it.
Talk to the quest guy and jump through the whole land. Give me a buff so I can pour like a pro man. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Give it to me. Let's go, bitches! Ogre on the left, Think Tank on the right. Pull those big ass giants.
No mortal strike.
Who pulled the Surger with the Core Hound?
I think a hunter did, but he's dead now.
Shut up, noob. This is my song.
Sorry.
Lucifron, Magma Dark, Innocent Gar.
Bomb status players.
Have you got that far? Okay, who is the living bomb?
I didn't know.
Well, congratulations, you win the Dumbass Award.
This is my first time.
You're not elite enough for Molten Core. We're MC Raiders.
We ain't got no life. You ain't got to tell me about them epics. I just disenchanted 1 and 2 in Nexus.
Shaz, Regala, Mag, and Sulfuron. Another thunder strike that nobody will roll on. Paladins, hunters, anybody?
I am not wasting DKP on that piece of crap.
Okay. Major Domo's chest, it's time for the fat loot. Will we get a leaf or an Eye of Divinity? Why don't we have a druid tank rag?
Hacks! I've got 13,000 AC.
Nerf! Is shadow form okay?
No!
I'm gonna do it anyway. Hell no! We're MC Raiders.
We ain't got no life. You guys
Start walking back.
Stop. Grab a table and a menu. ISIS back in this oriental venue. Hungry for a little chop suey. I want Chinese, not Hong Kong fooey.
You know what you want?
Yo, can't decide. Column A, column B, I like fried. Barbecued spare ribs, my fingers I'm licking. Waiting for the main course, Kung Pao chicken spicy. I mean hot like a stir fry. If you can't take it, order move Goose Guy pan. Means chicken and mushrooms. While you're on the soup, the food is here too soon. No substitution, but you get hot tea. They say vegetable, but that means no pea. If I get dessert, yo, I deserve it. Check out the chow while the waiter serves it.
Rice, baby. Rice, baby.
You're eating sweet and sour, but you'll be hungry in less than an hour. Use chopsticks or it don't matter. Fingers were made for a poo-poo platter. Egg rolling with egg bouillon. My dinner is cooking like Connie Chung. Noodles on standby, chow mein nearby.
Egg drop!
No, I'm a wonton soup guy, soy sauce. Hot mustard smoking, my plate is clean and my fortune cooking's broken. Bust in a bite of Mongolian beef. Get a mint toothpick for my teeth. Take out leftover lo mein. If I eat any more, I'll have a weight gain. If I get dessert, yo, I deserve it. Check out the chow while the waiter serves it.
Rice, baby. Rice, baby. Rice.
Yo man, let's get out of here. Tip to the waitress.
Rice, baby, to go. Rice, baby, to go.
Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och springer runt och creepar och motståndet vi slipar. Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och springer runt och creepar och motståndet vi slipar. Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och pushar på och smeker med motståndet vi leker. Vi sitter här i vänten och spelar lite Dota och springer runt och creepar och motståndet vi slipar.